Andarki Namaskaram. Welcome to our channel Palette. Today we're going to Shanti Sloka. So let's get started. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramayah. Sarve Bhadrani. Pashyantu. Kashchid. Dukhbhag Bhavet. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramayah. Sarve Bhadrani. Pashyantu. Kashchid. Dukhbhag Bhavet.
Let's learn the meaning of this sloka. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. May everyone be happy. Sarve Santu Niramayah. May everyone be healthy and free from sickness. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. May everyone see only good and auspicious things. Kashchid Dukhbhag Bhavet. May no one ever be sad or suffer. This beautiful prayer is asking for happiness, health, and goodness for all people. It teaches kids to wish well for everyone, not just family or friends, but all living beings. I hope everyone in the world is happy, safe, and smiling always.
Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe.